First we are discussing about hemichordata. Hemichordata. Hemi means half. Hemi means half. Chorda means notochord. These are consistent of half of the notochord. Consistent of how many? Half of the notochords are there. So these are which one? These hemichordates are completely aquatic marine forms, not freshwater forms. Completely marine forms. The body consistent of half of the notochord is located in the dorsal region of the body. Where it is located? Dorsal region of the body. Okay, clear. So these are containing half of the notochord is located in the dorsal region of the body. Characters, general characters. Dorsal region of the body. Dorsal region of the body. Which one? The notochord is located in the dorsal region of the body. Next one, the habit and habitation. Habit. These are completely carnivorous in nature. Carnivorous in nature. Habitation. Where it is stay here? There. These are completely marine forms. Marine forms. Clear. So the hemichordates or body is distinguished into three regions. Very, very important. It is not like a cephalic, thoracic, not that one. So the body of the hemichordates can be classified into three regions. Are they known as a proboscis, collar, and thorax. What is that? First one is proboscis, the body. Proboscis or proboscis. Proboscis. What is that? Collar. Proboscis, collar, and the last one is thoracic. Okay. The proboscis is nothing but lip, labrum. Lips are called as a proboscis. The below of the lip is known as a collar. The below of the collar is known as a thoracic. The thoracic leads to the last one is known as a tail. The posterior is known as a tail. Only tail is there. Okay. Let's see the diagram. The proboscis is nothing but lip, commonly known as a lip. It is called as a collar. Okay. These are consistent of notochord and blood vessels. Sorry, notochord is there. Then more number of the gills. Gill slits, not a gills, gill slits are there. Okay. Example, balanoglossus. Example, balano, not on. Balanoglossus. Balanoglossus. Yes. The first one, the body is distinguished into three regions. First region is known as a proboscis. The anterior one is known as a proboscis. Proboscis. The below of the proboscis is known as a collar. Collar. That last one is known as a thoracic. Thoracic. This one is known as a tail. So these are known as, these are a group of the gills are called as, covered by the one of the membrane is known as a gill slits. Gill slits. Gill slits. So this is the body is distinguished into these regions. Body. Okay, the body is distinguished into proboscis. Next one, what are they? Collar. Collar. What is the thoracic? And gill slits. So tail. Okay, this is the marine form. What I am saying? This is a marine form and burrowing nature. Burrowing nature. And burrowing in nature. Burrowing nature. These are completely these are there in the bottom of the ocean, and they make a barrows. So these are absence of the head. Absence of the head. Are you clear? The absence of head. The instead of the head contain proboscis. Head. Absence of the head. Instead of the head is consistent of proboscis. What is the importance of the proboscis? It is useful for the determination of the prey and predator. Nothing but act like a sensory organ. Nothing but it is known as the proboscis present. Proboscis. It is act like a sensory organ. Sensory organ. Clear. So these are what is that? There is no distinguishing into any segment. There is no segmentation. There is no segmentation. There is no segmentation is there. Example, Beranoglasses. Okay, there is no segmentation. This is a carnivorous in nature. Carnivorous in nature. These are carnivorous in which one? The Beranoglasses are carnivorous in nature. Are you clear? Yes, these are carnivorous in nature. Now, next. So these are the thoracic region consistent of more number of the gill slits. Gill slits are there. Gill slits are there. The gill slits are nothing but a group, more number of the gills are together to formation of a covered by one of the membrane is known as a gill slits. A group of the gills are covered by one of the membrane that is known as a gill slits. Gill slits are there. The respiration through the branchial tree, same branchial tree and gills. Branchial tree and gills respiration. Okay, so these are next one. These are hermaphrodite. These are which one? These are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite. Which one? These are hermaphrodites are there. Okay, so these are, you remember nothing but bisexual. Bisexual form. These are bisexual form. Respiration, complete digestion. It is a mouth is present. Mouth to anus. Nothing but complete digestive system is present. Complete digestive system is present. Mouth to anus. Respiration through the branchial respiration and gills respiration. Branchial respiration and gills respiration. Next one, circulation. Which type of circulation? These are shown open type of circulation. The heart is located in the dorsal region. Open type of circulation. Circulation through the open type of circulation. Heart located in the dorsal region. There is no blood pigment. Okay. So there is a, these are consistent of blood pigment, nothing but hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is present. Circulation. Next one, nervous system. These are poorly developed nervous system. Poorly developed nervous system. The poorly developed nervous system is present. Next one, reproduction. These are unisexual and some of the forms are bisexual in nature. Uni and bisexual in nature. So these are unisexual and bisexual. External fertilization. Which fertilization? External fertilization of the body. Clear. So there is a larva are there. The larva is known as a Turneria. A Turnerian larva. Very, very important. The larva is known as a Turnerian larva. Larva is known as Turnerian larva. Are you clear? The hemichordates, the respiration, circulation, excretion, reproduction. Okay, next one, excretion through the diffusion. There is a absence of excretory organ. Excretion through the diffusion. Method. So there is no excretory organs. Absence of the excretory organs. So this is a class. What is the general characters of the hemichordate? Hemichordates are nothing but hemi means half. Chorda means notochord. So these are consistent of half of the notochord. This is containing half of the notochords are there. So the half of the notochords are according to their arising, according to their location. These are can be containing remaining classes are there. Phylums are there. Like a what is that? Urochordate and cephalocordate. Cepha means head, euro means tail. So the hemicardates are half of the notochord is there. This is the dorsal region of the body. The dorsal region of the body placed on this, which one? Notochord is located. The habit is carnivorous in nature. These are habitation is marine forms. Most of the individuals are colonial and individual. Colonial is a group of the individual are nothing but what is that individual in nature. Habitation. The body is distinct proboscis, collar and tail. Proboscis, collar, thoracic and tail. The burrowing in nature. These are bottom of the ocean. What is ocean? What is the ocean? It is a burrowing nature. Is shown the below-glasses. Below-glasses. The absence of the head. The proboscis are containing sensory organ. Then there is no segmentation. The carnivorous in nature. The gill slits are present. Respiration is branchial and tree respiration. Excretion through the diffusion, that is known as a absence of the excretory organs. Next one, these are hermaphrodite and bisexual in nature. Digestion is completely mouth to anus. Respiration, gills and branchial respiration. Circulation, the open type of circulation. The dorsal region heart is present. They containing hemoglobin. The nerves are poorly developed for the nervous system. The reproduction is known as a external fertilization is occurs. These can be classified into two classes are known as a enteronusta and pterobranchia. Enteronusta and pterobranchia. How many? The echinodermate, the hemicardates can be classified into two classes are there. First one is known as a enteronusta and pterobranchia. T for silent. Pterobranchia. So this is the information about the hemicardata and classification.